Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mac. In this video, we're talking the operator belt. It's one of our best sellers. Now let's take a closer look at this 100% American-made belt.
Guys, check it out. So this is the operator belt from Macks Belts. So this is American leather. This is our midnight black leather. This particular leather for this belt is made in the USA. This is American steel that's blast poured and cast in Ohio. And there's 14 precision machine parts in this belt. So one of the cool things about Macks Belts is we use really old American made machines, many of which were being thrown away. And at Macks Belts, we saw the history behind them and we wanted to put them back to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and introduce some of the machines that build all of our hardware. Check it out. This is the youngest machine in the crew. This is a 1984 automatic screw machine. This is what we build our front rail with. Check it out. At Macks Belts, the side rails for our buckles are blanked out on this 1950s Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. Check it out. So this 1962 automatic screw machine was at one point getting sent to the scrapyard. At Macks Belts, we put it back to work, this time building screw posts for the toughest belt in the world. Check it out. So after our screws come off the Davenport, the secondary op is to slot them. We do this with a Brown & Sharp horizontal mill. This machine was made in the U.S.A. It's really old, you can't even find one pretty much. And then after we do that, we take the burr off. It's ready to go on a belt. Welcome back, guys. So if you want to support a 100% American-made business that puts America first every step of the way, then head to macksbelts.com and check out the operator belt. Let's go ahead and take a look at the hardware before we go. All right, so like I said, 14 precision machine parts. This is built from all 316 stainless steel, and it's got our Made in the USA brand, and on the belt end, it's got Macks Belts. So there's multiple adjustment holes here, so if you guys fluctuate in weight, and this belt could be used in a variety of ways, right? To wear with your suit, wear with your blue jeans, perfect for a concealed carry, and you could definitely use this belt to defend yourself. This hardware is very heavy. You guys have seen some of those videos of me smashing away with it, and that's really just to show you how tough American steel is. So really nice USA right there. So head to macksbelts.com. Thanks for watching, guys.
If you guys want to support a 100% American-made business that puts veterans and vintage machines back to work and puts this flag first in every step of the way, then head to macksbelts.com and gear up with a 100% American-made belt. I look forward to going to work for you. Thank you for your time.